Hello, good evening, Jessie.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, wow. So I hope you are okay now. So it's nice to see you again, Jessie. So how are you today? Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, wow, that's good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for our lesson for today, we are still in lesson 4, which is all about what do we call these things that we can see in the picture? These are
These are
shapes. Okay, very good, Jessie. So these are shapes. So before we continue our lesson, let's have a quick review because it's been a long time since we saw each other. So let's see or let's check if you still remember the shapes that we had learned last time. So now let's go with this first shape. Okay. So what shape is it, Jessie?
is so cold.
It's a circle. Very good. Is it a triangle?
No.
No, it.
This this isn't.
Very good. Wow, you still remember the sentence pattern. So good job. So next, how about this? Okay, this shape. Is it a rectangle?
No. This isn't. It's
Uh,
square.
it is a square. Very good. So it's square. Next, how about this one? What shape is this?
It's it's a triangle.
Very good. It's a triangle. Good job. And next one, is it a square?
No, it's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Very good. So good job. So now let's continue our activity here, which is all about this one. Okay. So again, Jessie. So what do we call this school supply? This one.
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Very good. And what shape is the ruler?
It's a rectangle.
Okay, very good. It's rectangle. How about this one? What shape is this? Or what is this first?
It's a red.
Bread. Very good. One more time. Let's say bread.
Red.
Okay, very good. So, what shape is the bread?
It's red. It's triangle.
Very good. It's triangle. Good job. How about this one? What school supply is this?
This is a notebook.
Very good. It's a notebook. And what shape is the notebook?
Mm, It's, it's rectangle.
Very good. It's rectangle. How about this one? What is the name of this food?
It's a pizza.
Pizza. Very good. One more time. Let's say pizza.
Pizza.
Very good. Good job. So, what shape is the pizza?
It's so cool.
Circle. Very good. It's circle. How about this one? Is this a notebook also?
No,
No, it isn't.
isn't.
Okay, what is this?
It's a book.
It's a book. Very good. It's a book. And what is the shape of the book?
It's, it's square.
Very good. It's square. So now, let's try to practice the sentence pattern that we have last time. Let's first have this one. Is it a rectangle? This one? Is it a rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, it.
is.
Very good. Yes, it is. How about this one? Is it a rectangle?
No, no, it isn't.
It's a, what is it?
It's a triangle.
Very good. Good job. Next, how about this one? Is it a circle?
No, it isn't.
What is it?
This is square.
Very good. How about this? Is it a circle?
Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. So good job. Good job for applying what you have learned last time. So good job. So let's move on to the next activity. So let's answer some question here. So can you read the first question, Jessie?
It's a circle.
Yes or no?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Yes, it is. And what food is this again? It's
It's
a
a pizza.
very good. It's a pizza. So yes, it is. Next. Okay, this one. Can you read the question?
Is
It
it is a
is it a rectangle? Yes or no? Is it a rectangle? Yes or
I
no?
I think it is yes.
Yes, yes, it.
Is
Okay, let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, very good. This is or it is a rectangle. And what school supply is this one?
it's a notebook.
Very good. It's a notebook. So next. Okay, let's read the third question. Is it?
It is a circle.
Yes or no?
No, it isn't.
Very good. And what is it?
It's it,
What
it's
shape?
a
It's a, what shape is
it's
this?
triangle.
Very good. It's triangle. So good job. So next question. Can you read the next question? Is it
This is
a
red, uh, red,
rectangle?
rectangle.
Okay, yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
Okay, very good. Yes, it is. And what is or what school supply is this?
It's
It's
a ruler.
very good. It's a ruler. So good job. So next. Okay, so next question. Is it?
Is a square?
Yes or no?
No, no, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. And what shape is it?
It's a circle.
Very good. It's a circle. So next. Okay, next one. Let's read the next question. Is it?
Is it a triangle?
Yes or
Yes,
no?
it is.
Yes, it is. Very good. So do you know what food is this, Jessie?
Now,
I- Ano, we call it as a sandwich. Sandwich. Okay, it's a bread and it has a vegetables inside of it and meat or ham. Okay, so it's a sandwich. Okay, so next question. So let's see. Okay, let's read the next question. Is it?
is a triangle? No, it isn't.
Very good. No, it isn't. And what shape is this again? It is?
Is a rectangle.
Okay, very good. It is a rectangle. So good job. So next. Okay, next question. Is it?
Is a square? Yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Yes, it is. And do you know what is the name of this thing?
Yes.
Yes, what is it? It's
Is it
what is this? What do we call this thing or object? It's
is
a
car?
very
Is
good job. It's a clock. Okay, very good. So next. Okay, so next. Oh, okay. So good job for finishing the question and answer. So now let's answer or let's look around this classroom. So let's find some shapes that we can see in the classroom. Let's go first with this thing. Okay, what do we call this thing, Jessie? It's
is
a
is a TV.
TV. Very good. TV or television. And what is the shape of the television?
Is is rectangle.
Very good. It's rectangle. Good job. How about this one? Look at this object. What is this object?
Is a clock.
It's a clock. Very good. And what is the shape of the clock?
Is circle.
It's circle. Very good. How about this one? Tinin. Okay. Do you know what object is this?
Is a ruler.
Very good. This is a ruler. And what shape is the ruler?
Is a rectangle. Is a triangle.
Okay, very good. It's triangle. So good job. So we also have a triangle ruler. So this is what a triangle ruler looks like. So next, let's go to this one. Okay. Do you know what do we call this object, Jessie?
Yes.
Yes. What do we call this one? It's
Is
a
a
it's a
a
what what do we okay, can you spell that one? I just cannot hear that. It's a
I
can you
can
oh you can spell?
I cannot spell for
Oh
you.
you cannot spell?
Yes.
Oh okay. So it is it this one? Globe?
No.
I know because in here we call it as globe. So this is a globe. Yes. So a globe is a circular map. Okay, like this one. Look at this one. Ta-da! It's a globe. So we call it as globe. Okay, so let's go back. So the name of the object, so we call it generally as globe. So again, what is it, Jessie? It's a
What
globe.
uh
Okay, so now what is the shape of the globe?
circle?
Very good. It's circle. So good job. So when we say globe, it is the circular map of the earth. Oh, it is the shape. It shapes like the earth. Okay. So next one. Let's find more objects here. This one. This. Okay, what do we call this one, Jessie?
Is it this?
Very good. It's a desk. And what is the shape of the desk?
It's a rectangle.
Very good. Wow. So it's rectangle. And this one. So let's move on to this next object. This. Okay. What do we call this, Jessie?
There's a
It's a
uh
starts with letter D. It's a door.
what's it? Oh,
Yes, it's a door. And what shape is the door?
Is rectangle.
Okay, very good. So good job. So good job. So that is our shapes or the shapes that we had learned. So circle, triangle, rectangle, and square. So very good. So next, let's move on to our last activity for this lesson. So let's look at the poster and let's talk about it. But let's first have the question here. So look at number 4, Jessie, this one. Is it the circle?
No, it isn't.
Okay, very good. What is it?
It's a square.
Very good. It's a square. Now, let's look at number 2. Number 2. Is it a square?
No, it isn't.
Very good. What is it?
It's circle.
It's a circle. Very good. Next, let's look at number 1. Is it a square?
No, it isn't.
Okay, what is it?
It's a triangle.
Very good. It's a triangle. And do you know what fruit is this, Jessie?
It's a watermelon.
Very good. It's a watermelon. So if we slice a watermelon, so it can be shaped as triangle like this one. Okay, so next, let's look at number 3. Is it a rectangle?
Yes,
Yes, yes, it.
yes.
Okay, very good. Good job. Wow. So good job. So even though haven't seen each other for a long time because you had been sick for the past few days, you still remember the shapes that we had learned, especially the sentence pattern, um, yes, it is, and no, it isn't. So, very good. So, now, so this will be the end of our lesson or unit 1, lesson 4. So, we will have another unit, which is unit number 2. So, what is unit number 2 all about, Jessie? It's all about art. Can you see the screen?
Yes, but I
Yeah.
cannot read the word.
Oh, you cannot?
But I but I don't know to read the word.
Ah, you can. Okay, it's okay. So we call it as art class. Art.
Oscar class.
Okay, one more time. Art class.
Oscar.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So when we say art class, Jessie, it is one of the subject that we have at school. So art class is about making art out of the things that we have at school. So we will talk about those things in this lesson. What are we using to make art class? So we will talk about lesson 1 about art supplies. So let's say art supplies.
Supply.
Okay, very good. So when we say art supplies, so this is the things that we use to make arts. So for example, we have crayons. Do you have crayons? Crayons? Like this one?
Yes.
Yes, yes, very good. So crayons is one of the example of art supplies because we use crayons to color paper or color things or color our drawings. So that is one of the art supplies. For this lesson, so we will talk about the other art supplies that we have at school. So let's go and check what are those art supplies. Okay, so let's first listen, point, and say. So let me just open the audio, Unit 2.
Page 12.
Okay, can you hear
Unit
the
2.
sound?
Art class.
Yeah.
Okay,
Lesson 1. Art supplies.
art
A.
supplies.
Listen, point, and say. 1,
paint,
2,
paper,
3,
chalk,
4,
yarn,
5,
glue,
6.
tape,
Okay, so now let's read again the examples of the art supplies that we use at school. Let's start with number 1. So let's say paint.
Paint.
Very good. Next is paper.
Paper.
Very good. Next is chalk.
Chalk.
Good job. Next is yarn.
Yarn.
Next is glue.
Glue.
Next is tape.
Chair.
Okay, good job. So let's talk about more about of these art supplies and how we can use them to make art. So let's go first with our first art supplies here. So can you tell teacher what art supplies is this again? This is paint.
Paint. Place.
Okay, very good. So we call this art supply paint. So now let's take a look at the picture. What color is the paint in the picture, Jessie?
It is red.
Very good. It's color red. Okay. So like a crayon, so paint is somehow similar to crayons. So for crayons, it is solid. So, however, for paint, it is liquid in form. Both crayons and paint, we use it to color paper, color our drawings. But the difference between two, so paint is watery or liquid. So we use this to color things. Okay, so for the colors, Jessie, what is your favorite color? Especially when you are coloring things. What's your
It's rainbow.
what's your favorite
It's
color?
it's rainbow.
Oh, rainbow. Okay, I remember you said that you have a rainbow bag. Is that correct? Rainbow
Yeah.
backpack? Yes, okay. I remember your favorite is rainbow. Wow. Okay. So that is paint. So it has various or it has different or lots of colors like crayons. So we don't have only red, but we also have the other colors such as blue, pink, orange, red, and other colors. So we use it to color papers like crayons. Next, this one. Okay, what do we call this art supply, Jessie?
Paper.
Paper, very good. But as we can see here, so this is a kind of paper that is colored. So we call this one colored paper because as we can see, if we see a regular paper, it is only color white. But for this one, so the one that we use for art supplies, they are colored paper like this one. So can you tell teacher what are the colors that we have here for the colored papers?
Green, red, yellow, blue.
Very good. We have green, red, yellow, and blue. So we have also many colors in colored paper. So this is what we use for art supplies instead of just using a color white paper. So next, let's go with this one. Okay, can you read what art supply is this, Jessie? Let's say chalk.
Chalk.
Okay, very good. It's a chalk. So, um, Jessie, do you have a blackboard at your school or at your classroom? Do you have a blackboard?
What? I don't know.
Ah,
What
you
is
do
that?
know. Okay, let's this one. We call this as blackboard. And then this is a blackboard. So we often see a blackboard at school or in the school or in the classroom, specifically in the classroom. So we use a blackboard to write things, but we use chalk, this one. Okay, this one. This is a chalk, pink chalk and blue chalk. We use it to write in a blackboard because a blackboard has a different texture. So we can only use a chalk to write in the blackboard. So we can use different colors. But most of the common color that we use for blackboard is white. Okay. So that is a blackboard. So we usually see it in the classroom like this. Okay, so let's see this one. Oh, it's blurred. So we have here a different colors of yun. We have here different colors of chalk. Okay, so that is a blackboard. Okay, so we use chalk to write in a blackboard. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so I can see that it's already 8:30. Okay, so we will just end our lesson here and we will continue this in or on Wednesday. Okay. So make sure to review this art supplies, Jessie, because I will prepare questions in our next class. Okay? Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Jessie, and I hope I hope I will see you again soon. So goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. We'll continue this next time. Okay? Bye
Yes.
bye. Thank you so much. Good night.